We'll discuss some general algebraic equations which you might already have seen in school. If not, no issues. We are going to go through like each of them one by one right now. So with the very first algebraic equation is a plus b the whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is again a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay. A plus b the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You might not be familiar with this particular formula, the middle one here. But yes, I think this will be very much clear to you. If not, you can pay attention right now. A plus b the whole cube is nothing but a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Same thing goes on with a minus b the whole cube. Okay. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. You can also remember it as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. We'll talk about a cube minus b cube now. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And also a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Find the value of the following: 3.25 square plus 6.5 into 1.75 plus 1.75 square. Okay, now the first step I'll observe is 6.5 jo hai, it is nothing but 2 into 3.25, right? So basically this entire question is 3.25 square plus 2 into 3.25 into 1.75 plus 1.75 the whole square. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Very clearly it is the expansion of a plus b the whole square. 3.25 plus 1.75 is equal to 5. The whole square is equal to 25. And that's the answer for the question. Let's go on to the next one, guys. Find the value of 9999 the whole square. Okay. Now 9999 I can firstly write it as 10,000 minus 1. इसको आपने क्या किया है? Square कर दिया है, right? So basically the question is 10 raised to 4 minus 1 the whole square का value find करना है. Okay. Now 10 raised to 4 the whole square will be 10 raised to 8 by the property of indices, a raised to m the whole raised to n. Okay, so a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Now guys, 10 raised to 8 will be 1 followed by 8 zeros. 2 into 10 raised to 4, guys, will be 20,000, isn't it? Okay, so first we subtract 20,000 from this number. Okay, we'll get 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 bar. Then we have 8. Then we have 9, 9, 9, 3 times, isn't it? And then you add 1 to it, you have your answer. Okay, let's look at a very quick shortcut to calculate all the squares of numbers having the digit only 9. So you observe, guys, 9 square kitna hota hai? 81. Okay, if you calculate, you will get 99 square as 9801. Okay, how do we do that? Beside the 8, we add a 9, and between 8 and 0, we add, between 8 and 1, we add a 0. Okay, once again I'll demonstrate. Okay, suppose you want to find out 99 का square. We know 9 square is 81, right? 99 square क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे एक 9, यहाँ पे एक 0. It does not end here. Okay, 9 square भी हम ऐसे ही निकाल सकते हैं. 8 लिखा, 1 लिखा, 9 और 9 दो 9 आएंगे 8 के beyond, and between 8 and 1 we have 2 zeros. Same way 9999 square कितना हो जाएगा? You have 8 and you have 1. Between them you put 3 zeros and then you put 3 nines. Wow, we have the answer. Find the value of the following. Okay, I wanted to pause the video and just to solve it. And if you're not getting it, no issues. You can just look at the solution once we solve it. Okay, so very crudely, what people do is they write this as 2 raised to 32, and then they start finding values. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 square plus 1 is 5, 2 raised to 4 plus 1 is 17, 2 raised to 8 plus 1 is 257, 2 raised to 16 plus 1 will be 256 ka square plus 1. Oh my god, big number. Okay, but that's not the correct way to solve the question because it will make it more and more complicated. Okay, now let's see how we can very quickly solve the question. Guys, let's observe that. Okay, beyond this 2 plus 1, either 2 plus 1 ke bagal mein ek 1 to hai na, 1 is there everywhere, it's unity, right? Okay, so this 1 I will write it as 2 minus 1. Okay, now how does this trick help me? I now have a plus b into a minus b, which is a square plus b square, a square minus b square, right? Now this will get coupled with the next term. Okay, this is a plus b, a minus b. Okay, again you will have a square minus b square. Again these two terms will get combined, a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Oh, the answer is 1.